Bafowethu sanibonani uGatsheni lo. Bafowethu kade sagcinana nje, kade sagcina ukukhuluma nami ngibe busy nje ngezinto zami, nami ngizama impilo la engisuke ngizama khona. Nama Easter nje siye saba busy ngezinye izinto yabo. But anyway siyabonga kakhulu maniphila, sithe mntwana badle kahle ama Easter kwaba kuhle kwabanjalo kuyo yonke into nje abantu basaphilile. Bafowethu namhlanje mfisa ke sixoxe. I think it's a short video, it's very important ukuthi sizikhulume lezi zinto ngoba ziyobasiza abanye ngelindanga. Bafowethu sakhuluma sayithinta lento yokuthi mawumuntu uzazi ukuthi ufunani. Abanye bangayi-understanda ngoba ngiyanginotice ukuthi uyathola umuntu ethi uyazazi ukuthi ufunani, kodwa uthi uyabheka ukwenza kwakhe ubone ukuthi nomuntu akazazi ukuthi ufunani. Into yokuqala bafowethu empilweni ayikho into oyithola ngento oyifunayo. Khohlwa baba, you need to do something ongayithandi ukuze uthole into oyifunayo noma oyithandayo. For example, akekho umuntu othanda ukuya esikole 7 years, but because ufuna that career, ufuna that doctorate, ufuna that career, ufuna that degree, that diploma, yabo, uzoya esikole for that 7 years, for that 4 years, for that 5 years, for that 6 years, because you need to achieve lento oyifunayo. Understand? So okwesibili bafowethu, xa usuyibonile into oyifunayo njengomuntu ozazi ukuthi ufunani, you need to be strong. You need to do whatever that it takes for you to achieve that thing, as long as it's a clean deal. Ungazongitshela ngikhuluma ubutsotsi la ukuthi ubona imali ndawana thizeni sekumele wenza iplan intshontshe. No. I'm talking of into clean ezokunika ipeace. Okay, usubonile, I'll give you a few typical examples. Ufuna imali, ufuna ukuvuza ikhaya lakini. Usutholile umsebenzi ongakunika le mali ukuthi ulivuze ikhaya lakini, but kunzima emsebenzini. You have to be strong. Ngoba uyazazi ukuthi ufunani. You have to be strong. Awungeke uvela uthi ayingayiyeka mina lento inzima. No. You don't know what you want manje. Because angeke uyithole into oyifunayo ngento oyifunayo, khohlwa baba. You have to be strong lapha emsebenzini. And get that money. Uhambe uyovusa phela ikhaya lakini. Once you've achieved what you wanted to achieve with that job, and then now you can think otherwise. You can think otherwise and say, no, I've achieved lento yami yokuvusa ikhaya. No, I think I've achieved what I wanted to achieve on this job. Usungayeka ke phela manje ngoba into oyifunayo you've achieved it ngalo msebenzi. Ufuna umshado dadewethu. Usubonile ukuthi le ndoda le inawo lo mshado engiyudingayo. Ihloniphe phela leyo ndoda. Do what it takes for you to be a makoti for that man. Mfowethu usuyibonile intombi nansi yafisa ukuthi ibe unkosikazi wakhe, ibe umakoti wasekhaya kini. Uyabona ama qualities and everything that you need kukhona kulo ntombazana. Do whatever that it takes for you to ukuthi uthole inhliziyo yayo uyiwine ibe umakoti. Kanti yini enzima lapha, yini ongayi-understand la. Because manje ungaba nalento abayibiza nge-empty pride. Awuna fokol mara uyayitshela, uyangala wena, uyanyanya. Hayi baba, you'll die poor baba. You're not going to achieve anything in life. Ngikutshela ngisho businessmen abakhulu baba, mabe ibonile into abayifunayo bayancenga baba. Kanti wena ungwakuphi wena othi wena uncengi? Mina ngincengi makunjalo akafokofe. Baba, you'll stay poor baba. In this life kuyancengwa baba. Masuyibona into oyifunayo uyancenga baba. Uzendlale phansi baba uncenge baba. Uzenza isidididi baba, uzenza isilima baba. Kodwa uzovela wena umisa umhlwenga la awuna fokolo. Nde akahambe ne-million lakhe. Uzohamba vele ne-million lakhe. But you'll remain with your empty stomach and your poverty, bro. You understand? So bafowethu unyaka usaqhubeka, ikota yokuqala unyaka sesiqedile. remember your dreams. Uyathika or you are losing, check ukuthi yini ongayenzi kahle. Mawusenza kahle, keep it up. Siyabonga kakhulu bafowethu, niphile emakhaya. Impilo injalo bafowethu, awuyithola into oyifunayo ngento oyifunayo. That's idalwe kanjalo ke. Life is never easy vele. Ungababoni begezile befaka ama makeup begqoka ama Gucci abanye ucabanga ukuthi life is good. No. Life is hard to everybody. You need to push, bra. You need to push. Everyone with money. Now uyazazi mawunemali ufuna ukuncengwa, bra. Nawe sister lami lapho uyazazi mfethu mawunemali ufuna ukuncengwa. Ongancengi nawe umncengwe amfokofisa usale nemali yakho. Uyinika abakuncengayo. You understand? So now mfethu understand naphambili kunjalo mfethu life. Mawusubona into oyifuna emntwini, do what it takes for you to get what you want to achieve, and then life will be good. Siyabonga kakhulu bafowethu niphile emakhaya, sinifisela konke okuhle. Siyabonga ugatsheni lo.